Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. I am making yummy vegetable rice today, also steaming fish to enjoy with rice. The recipe of steamed fish is already uploaded on my YouTube channel, my food cart. I will add the link of the recipe in the box. So let's start making vegetable rice. And note down what we need to make them. Basmati rice 3 cups, soak them for an hour. Ginger grated 1 teaspoon. Garlic grated 1 teaspoon. In vegetable, I have half cup shredded cabbage, 1 tablespoon green peas, and carrot 1 cut in small pieces. I have whole spices 2 cinnamon sticks, black cardamom 2 and 3 black pepper. Also have 3 cloves. Salt I'm using 1.5 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1/8 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/8 teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1/3 cup, green chilies 3, use them whole, and 8 curry leaves, sliced onion 1 medium size, water I'm using 3.5 cups. So let's start making yummy rice with Bismillah. In a dry pan, add oil and sliced onion. Fry them on high heat for 5 minutes until they change their color to light brown. Now keep the flame low and add water in it. Also add garlic, ginger, salt, cumin powder, cumin seeds, garam masala powder, red chili powder, and whole spices. Mix them and cook on medium-high flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add vegetables, curry leaves and green chilies in it. Cook them for 4 minutes on medium-low flame, then add rice in it. After 4 minutes, add rice. Cook them with open lid on high flame for 3 minutes. Rice start to absorb some liquid in them. Let them cook for more 2 minutes on high flame. Now we will cook them on very low flame for 14 minutes. So cover them with kitchen towel wrap lid and let them cook in steam. This is my way to give steam to rice. I hope you also love it. Inshallah. It is time to open the lid. Alhamdulillah, the rice cooked beautifully. Turn off the flame and enjoy them with steamed fish or anything you want. There are so many recipes of kebabs and baked fish on my YouTube channel, my food cart. You can get it from there. So let's enjoy them with Bismillah.